my brother is merging onto Interstate 190 westbound, coming from Interstate 294 southbound, the Tri-State Tollway, to head to O'Hare Airport to drop off a relative of mine so she can catch her flight. Until Mitchell the Magpie in the piece of shit Chrysler Town and Country, well, you'll see where's he going to appear.
You or some.
Yeah. I know, it's dangerous.
Mitchell the Magpie almost sideswiped my brother's left front wheel just as my brother was merging when he just barged in front of my brother. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.